everyone, and welcome back. We're all here for one thing, and that is the iPad Pro. Look at that, beautiful. So I finally got the iPad. I was looking for which one to get, which one would serve the best purpose for me. So I decided to settle for the iPad Pro, and this is it right here. And I got the 12.9 inch iPad. Initially, I was thinking of getting the 11-inch iPad, but because of what I was planning to use my iPad for, I decided to just settle for the 12.9. And let me tell you something, I am not angry about it. So with the order, I got an Apple Pencil right here, the iPad 12.9 inch, and finally got myself an AirPod. However, I will not be reviewing the AirPods in this video, so yeah, that needs to go all the way. So let's move this to the center, and this right here. Now before we open up the iPad, we can have a look at that Apple Pencil. So this is the Apple Pencil right here. Comes in this packaging. So because I'll be doing a lot of drawings, I thought I might as well just get the Apple Pencil with it, because obviously it's ideal. So this is how I'm supposed to open it. And this is the packaging at the top. Remove that. And there we have it, the pencil. Now let's just remove that. Where is it? I haven't opened the packaging. And this is it. So I got engraved. But I'll show you later how it works with the iPad. Now for what we've all been waiting for, which is the unboxing of the iPad. So this is it right here. Unfortunately, I was so excited that I already removed the packaging that was around it, but this is still an unboxing, so let's get started. And voila! The iPad is right here. The excitement that I'm feeling is beyond me. So I got the space grey, and you can also get it engraved. So I got it engraved because I got it on the Apple website. I actually got this on with a deal. It was a student discounted deal, and I have to say it was the best deal I could ever find. So I managed to get the free AirPods with it as well, which is right here. So that came for free, and I still managed to get a discount for iPad Pro 2020, so it was a plus. The Apple Pencil that I got, I actually paid, I think it was £89 for this, but overall this came to a whopping £869, including the AirPods. So guys, I was able to save £389, which is approximately $500. That is amazing. That's literally a flight ticket to a country in Europe. So the moral of the story is try and save your coins. I don't know if I should release this and take this out gently, or just like completely destroy it. So let's just do the slow motion. I've watched other videos and they take it off so smoothly, but clearly I can't do that. Okay, I think I figured it out. Have you ever seen an unboxing that takes this long to open? I thought not, but we finally got there. Look at this beauty. Look at the way that apple part is just shining right there. This is literally the best. So I'm basically an Apple fan, but I will never not get something from an Apple brand. But Apple is just the way to go. So look at this. Look at this. Wow. So it comes in various colours. I've seen pink, space grey. I think there's a green one as well. But I decided to be a boring Nancy and get the grey. And then got the camera that comes with it. Look at that beauty. So I had to quickly go off camera to clean the lenses, but as you can tell, it's quite hard to clean because the smudges are still there. Now let's just switch this on. Button right there, and to let this, okay, that didn't switch on. It's just hold it down. I'm acting like I do not have an iPhone. Okay, it's just going to switch on. Voila! Okay, look at all the smudges. Jeez. So while that's going on, let's open the box. So, what do we get in the box? Well, we get the charger that comes with it. Okay. Quite good actually. So we've got that comes with it. And then obviously USB-C. So for those that don't know, it uses a USB-C instead of the regular chargers that are used. So that's one thing to take into account. See, that's sorted, and that's basically it. Nothing else inside the box. So what I got was the 256 gigabyte. The reason why I got a 256 gigabyte is because I'll be using this for video editing, taking pictures, probably recording as well. So I thought might as well get a large size. However, I will be getting an external storage. So let's just switch that on. So because of my excitement, I have switched this on before, so it doesn't have usual sign-in option of inputting your Touch ID. So just switching that back on. We've got the volume button here and the charging point here, which can also be used for external storage. The parts here for speakers, and then I'm guessing this is for the Touch ID. Oops, can't break this just yet. So one thing that I did realise about this is that you definitely need to get a screen protector for this. I've seen a lot of videos about the Paperlite, I think, which I think I probably will try out. But if you're planning to just use the screen, it feels very glossy, so it doesn't feel nice on your fingers. And let alone if you are using the Apple Pencil, yeah, it definitely does not feel nice. So if you just open the notes here, so I will be showing you the accessories that I will be getting with this. If you would like to see a video about that, then drop a comment down below and I'll get a video out about the accessories